This is a recorded training session for my 99% Done For You program members. So if you are watching from YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or any other platform, then you are watching a training that is recorded for my paid members. At any point, if you are interested to know about my 99% Done For You program, go to this website, moshbari.com, or scan this QR code and watch this free training. This free training has two parts. The first part, we will show how we run our business. And in the second part, we will show you how we help beginners like yourself who has a 9-to-5 day job or an existing business. Transparency, I believe transparency is the first step to trust. And you will enjoy the transparency in this video. Go ahead, give it a watch. And if you have any questions, ask me on Instagram, DM, or Facebook. I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Let's go. Normally, in all of my trainings, I show how to get traffic, but what do we see here? We see a supermarket, which is a shop owner, and potential customers around this shop, but there is no product. So what do you think? Who will make money from this shop? Answer is no one. So here is the fundamental. I want to establish the fundamental first. That's what I do in every training. People have pain and they spend penny to buy painkiller or product. Products are made by product creators and promoted by promoters or affiliates. Product creators are busy creating products and affiliates know the people. So the promoter's job is to introduce the product to the people. When they are happy, they spend their penny in order to get rid of their pain, and this penny is distributed among the product creator and the promoter, and now both parties are happy. In fact, everybody is happy. But the supermarket has no product, so there is no money. Now today's scenario is slightly different because there is a shop owner, and there are potential customers everywhere, but there is no product, and that's why today a product creator approached the shop owner to showcase their products in the shop, so some of these customers may buy these products and both of them can make money. Does this make sense? In digital marketing, the supermarket is a website and the product is a digital product. Can be a course, can be a book, can be downloadable, can be printable, or can be a software, can be a course as well. The best part of our 99% Done For You program is that all these stuff are done for you. Our members do not have to worry about these things. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this link right here is in the description as well. Find it anytime and watch this video. Now the shop owner doesn't seem to be happy. You know why? Because he is a perfectionist. He doesn't want these random products to be in his shop. He wants the perfect products in his shop, and his sense of perfection is keeping him poor. What I mean by poor is that there are no customers going into his shop, nobody's buying, and he's making no money. Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. And I just found a guy who makes a lot of money. I don't know him, but I know that he has product, he has customers, and he is not obsessed about perfection. That makes him rich. So I first saw him around a year ago. In that little video you see, that little interview, this jet business guy is reacting on. Talking about reacting, it's not really reaction, it's called RANT video. Let me write it down so you remember that it is called RANT. I'll tell you what RANT is in a moment, but before that, let's watch a few seconds of this video.
Paying 50% more in fuel cost, twice the cost for the plane, basically.
This guy right here is Meet Kevin, who also has a YouTube channel with 2 million subscribers.
Probably not for those little things. That's when you get into like the luxury, like it's a ripoff.
Okay, you can buy a nice 4-seater Renault or Volkswagen, Or you can buy a nice four-seater.
You see what's going on here? This guy, the Jet Business channel owner, is reacting on Meet Kevin's video. This is called RANT video. Now, we don't need to go deeper into this video. I am more interested in the RANT videos. If you look at the most popular videos of the Jet Business, you'll see most of his most popular videos are reaction videos or RANT video. For example, this one, 5.8 million views. Example, this one, 2.5 million views. There are tons of them. I can go on and on. Now let's come back to Meet Kevin. He is the prince of today's video because from the moment I subscribe to Meet Kevin's channel, I keep getting notifications of his uploads. 1 hour ago, a video. 6 hours ago, another video. 8 hours ago, another video. 10 hours ago, a new video. 24 hours ago, another video. 26 hours ago, he is dancing. You know what's going on here? Let's watch him dance.
It's not official quite yet because there are votes that still need to be counted, but it appears that he's going to be the Democrat.
I don't care about the news. I care about what he's doing right here on this bottom right corner.
Grocery stores all paid for by taxing wealth.
Here we go, our boy talking.
And I would much prefer Florida over New York any day. I get nice warm water at the beaches, beautiful sunny beaches, mind you. And yeah, a little bit of heat and humidity, but it ain't as blistering as the weather in Man.
No officiality, no formality, just a raw reaction video, mainly focused on his face on the camera, on the right side or on the left side. He's just talking about what's happening in the news, what's happening in Twitter, in YouTube, in other videos.
A Democratic primary, to me, this is a sign of the failure of the Democratic Party.
He's talking about politics, he's talking about news, he's talking about everything. And it's pretty raw. Like, there is editing, of course, but not a lot. Very informal. Oh, that's where he danced, basically. It was a good dance, right? See, he's very entertaining as well.
Sons and daughters, and I've got 4 children. And have we talked about fairness yet? This is what people hate.
Because he became comfortable in front of the camera. Okay, now if you go a little down in the description, what do we see? We see website number 1, website number 2, and a couple of affiliate and paid promotions. Very transparent and open. And he's promoting Tesla as an affiliate. Good one. I love it. And some other stuff. And he has a Twitter account, a TikTok account, Instagram, and free live stream, whatever. So start with Instagram, 141,000 followers, 397 posts. It looks like he doesn't post a lot, but looking at his videos, they get a lot of traction. Look at the number of views. Not bad at all. Go to his shorts. They're basically same videos uploaded as shorts and Instagram reels. Then let's go to TikTok. Oh yes, it seems he's uploading the same short videos everywhere. That's what it's supposed to be. Smart move. Here comes X or Twitter. In TikTok, he has 231,000 followers and on Twitter, 377,000 followers. So, wow, great. Now, just 13 hours before he uploaded this video, which means he's using the long form videos on Twitter. And from time to time, some text tweets as well. All right. After Twitter became X, did they rename the tweets as well, like X-tweets? Or they're still tweets? It's a controversial question. It's a good question, isn't it? Please educate me in the comment. These are posts, texts. He's texting every 5 minutes like Donald Trump, and it's worth it because that's how Twitter works. The more you post, the more you get traction. This post is interesting.
Where 14 missiles were shot at us the other day, and they were very nice. They gave us warning. They said we're
Donald Trump says Iran gave us warning before shooting.
going to shoot them. Is 1 o'clock okay? They said it's fine. And everybody was emptied off the bed.
Iran asked Donald Trump, can we shoot you at 1 a.m.? And he said, yeah, it's fine. What? Is this war? Anyways, I'm not into war. I'm not into politics. I'm talking about money. We started with this money image, remember? Now it's time to tell you what is RANT, because if you're new to the channel and this video is new to you, you must be asking what is RANT. RANT is an abbreviation. R stands for relevant reaction, not random reaction. Random relevant reaction videos that builds authority and trust. And when the trust is built, your audience buy from you and paying you money so you make money. What is N then? We'll come back for N in a moment. Now, the reason I started talking about Meet Kevin in the first place is that all his videos are basically rant videos. All day long, he goes through social media, news channels, and he talks about what's happening in the world. No super fancy thumbnail, just contextual. But because of the types of his videos, he can post multiple videos. All he does is sit on his desk in his studio, simply keep watching what's going on in the world and keep reacting on them, keep dropping his valuable wisdom. And it doesn't matter anyone likes or not, he keep talking about relevant topics so they show up on people's feed and YouTube's recommendation, so people keep watching and he gets more views and subscribers. Most importantly, he gets traffic to his website. Welcome to the Meet Kevin membership. He has a bunch of courses. He just put it here. If you join the membership, you get everything. Click join now, and either you pay $1,350 in full or you pay 4 payments of $387.50. Woo! Now it's time to check his traffic. 16,000 monthly visitors. It can be a little more or less. Don't worry about it. 16,000 is a lot because he has 74,000 US traffic. Why not? All he's talking about is US news, US trends. His channels and his pages and his accounts are built in the US. His accent is US. He looks US. So the algorithm doesn't have any way but send him US traffic. However, this is important. He still has other traffic from other countries, like from Australia, Germany, UK, India. Yes, they are also tier 1 traffic, good quality traffic, buyer traffic. But if you want to make serious money, you want to focus on US traffic. But hey, this is the truth. If you are on social media, you will get mixed traffic. And the AI of social media algorithms are smart now. They will prioritize the traffic based on your content and the reaction of the traffic. US people interact more with his videos. His content are relevant to US people. That is why he gets more US traffic. He gets other traffic because some other people outside US also are interested in his videos. That includes me. And here we go. 41% traffic are direct traffic, which are probably his members who visit their members area from time to time. Maybe for a call, maybe for live streaming, maybe for course or new content or whatever. Organic traffic from Google, only 15%, which means not a lot of people search with his name, which makes sense. He's just Meet Kevin, a content creator, nothing special. However, a lot of these people are not really searching for him or his name. They're searching for the membership site just to log into their account. So a lot of these people are also direct traffic or existing members, which means most of his traffic come from social media, 35.79%. And this makes total sense to me. Most of his traffic come from YouTube because he's mostly active on YouTube. And I believe that's a wise decision because YouTube has the most matured and serious audience. The next, Instagram. Of course, why not? We love Instagram. And he gets a lot of traffic from Reddit as well. And yes, he gets some traffic from Twitter. But what about TikTok? He has 231,000 followers on TikTok. Where are they? Well, my friend, he did not add his Instagram handle on TikTok and he did not put his website link here. So people are watching his content, they don't know where to go. So he's not getting any traffic from TikTok. However, I want to double check. I want to check from mobile, and yes, his Instagram link is here. So he's basically building his Instagram audience from his TikTok audience, which is very smart in my opinion, because TikTok is crazy. TikTok will shut down your account anytime they want without any reason, and they will not take appeal in a lot of cases. So instead of growing a TikTok community in TikTok, try to transfer them to other more stable social media accounts. But also, I highly recommend putting your website link here because around 10% of our viewers became our email subscribers. And email subscription is your own traffic. It's not social media traffic. It's not random traffic. It's not the traffic that anyone can take away from you. Your own email list is the only traffic that you own phone and you can get back anytime you want without anybody's permission, and no one can stop you from claiming your traffic back when you build your email list. So people are getting tons of traffic and making tons of money from rant videos. However, what is N? N is something that most people will hate. And some of you will start hating me for N. But N is obvious. News. Whatever your niche is, you must come up with news, which means new content every day, because that's what social media companies want from you. And the only way to build trust, consistency with new content every single day. And Kevin found the easiest way to make content using other people's content, build authority, trust, and eventually drive all his traffic to his site and make money every day. So what do we learn from this? You need a shop, you need product, you need customers in order to make money. And the good news is, in our 99% done for you program, literally everything, the shop, the product, all are done for you. All you need is to follow our program, follow any methods of getting traffic and customers, including rant content. What is stopping you, my friend? After watching Kevin, I'm pumped, inspired. I used to make multiple 3 to 5 short videos per day and 1 long video, and I'm thinking of making at least 3 to 5 long videos from now on, because ultimately we want only one thing: traffic. Was this video useful? Of course. Give me a like. If it wasn't useful, still give me a like, because maybe not today, tomorrow this will be useful. So I want a like today. I want you to share this video with your friends and family. And please, please, please subscribe to my channel, switch on the notification bell button, and just like I get notifications whenever Kevin uploads a video, you will also get a notification when I will upload a video. But the condition is you have to subscribe. Then click on subscribe and switch on the notification. That's the only way to get notified by YouTube and watch the fresh content fast. For more money training, watch these videos, and we will see you in the next one.